In the heart of Bologna, Italy, during the vibrant era of the Baroque period, lived Elisabetta Sirani, a remarkable woman whose talent and determination would leave an indelible mark on the world of art. Born into a family where art coursed through the veins of its members, Elisabetta was destined to hold the brush and palette. Her father, Giovanni Andrea Sirani, a renowned artist and protege of Guido Reni, recognized his daughter's extraordinary skills from an early age. Elisabetta, alongside her sisters, was immersed in the world of painting, learning not just to replicate the beauty of the world around her, but to express her innermost feelings and thoughts through the strokes of her brush. Elisabetta's journey was not without its challenges. In a time when the art world was dominated by men, a young woman seeking to make her mark had to fight not just to prove her skill, but to be allowed the chance to show it. Elisabetta did more than just paint. She broke barriers, becoming one of the few female artists of her time to delve into the world of engravings. Her dedication and passion led her to become a professor at the prestigious Accademia Nazionale di San Luca by the tender age of 22, an unheard-of achievement for a woman in the 17th century. But Elisabetta's ambition stretched beyond personal success. She took over her father's workshop, transforming it into a haven for young women who, like her, dreamed of painting but were denied the opportunity by society. Elisabetta's school became the first of its kind in Europe, a beacon of hope for female artists. Through her guidance, these women learned that with a brush in hand, they could express their thoughts, emotions, and visions, challenging the norms of their time. Elisabetta's art was a reflection of her soul, vibrant and full of life. She was known for her sacred representations, especially her depictions of the Madonna, which were not just paintings but conversations between the canvas and the viewer. Her technique, characterized by quick sketches refined with watercolors, brought her subjects to life, allowing them to breathe and speak to those who looked upon them. Despite her success and the respect she garnered, Elisabetta's life was cut tragically short. At the age of 27, she passed away under mysterious circumstances, leaving behind a legacy that would inspire generations to come. The city of Bologna mourned the loss of their bright star, and the art world felt the absence of a truly pioneering spirit. Elisabetta Sirani's story is not just one of talent and achievement. It is a tale of resilience, courage, and the relentless pursuit of one's dreams against all odds. Her school for female artists paved the way for others to follow, proving that art knows no gender, only beauty and truth. Her legacy lives on, not just in the paintings that hang in galleries across Europe, but in the spirit of every woman who picks up a brush and dares to dream.